Welcome back to Popular Gadget Items. Today, we're reviewing the best bathroom mirrors for walls in 2025, from sleek LED designs to premium anti-fog smart mirrors. If you're upgrading your bathroom or planning a remodel, these mirrors will instantly transform your space with style and functionality. Stay tuned as we break down the features, build quality, and value to help you choose the perfect mirror for your home. Number 3. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Echo's Life 40 by 32 LED bathroom mirror, a premium choice for anyone upgrading their bathroom into a modern, spa-like space. Designed with a sleek space black aluminum frame, this mirror instantly adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to any bathroom, bedroom, or living area. Its front and backlit LED system delivers outstanding brightness with a high CRI 90+, ensuring true-to-life lighting for makeup, shaving, and daily grooming. You get 3 color temperatures from warm 3000K to crisp 6000K daylight, along with stepless dimming from 10% to 100%, letting you customize the ambience exactly how you want. Plus, the anti-fog feature keeps the mirror crystal clear even in steamy showers, eliminating the need to constantly wipe it down. Durability is another standout point. The 5mm copper-free, shatter-proof glass resists moisture, corrosion, and damage, making it a long-lasting investment for high-humidity environments. Touch-sensitive controls and a smart memory function make operation smooth and effortless, remembering your preferred lighting each time. Installation is flexible with both plug-in and hardwired options, and the sturdy ledge-style mounting system makes setup easier and safer. Real user feedback backs it up. One reviewer praised the mirror's exceptional illumination and value, calling it one of their best purchases. Another highlighted the perfect black frame, dimmable lighting, and elegant design. Overall, the Echo's Life LED mirror is a stunning, high-quality choice that truly elevates your space. Number 2. Today, we're reviewing the Brewe's 36-inch by 32-inch medicine cabinet with lights and mirrors, a modern storage and lighting solution designed to upgrade any bathroom with both style and functionality. This cabinet stands out with its sleek silver aluminum build, dual doors, and spacious 5-inch depth, perfect for organizing medicine, toiletries, cosmetics, and everyday essentials. One of its biggest highlights is the 3-mode LED lighting. You can switch between 3000K warm, 4000K natural, and 6000K daylight, giving you the ideal brightness for makeup, shaving, or unwinding at night. The stepless dimming and memory function ensure personalized lighting every time. Safety is also top tier. EEL listing, GFCI protected outlets, IP65 waterproof connectors, and UL certified drivers make it a reliable long-term choice for any bathroom. Installation is flexible, whether you choose to recess it for a seamless look or wall mount it for convenience. The wider reflection area offers a bright, shadow-free view, while the anti-fog HD mirror stays crystal clear even after steamy showers. Real users love it too. One review highlights its modern design, hidden shelving, and high-quality build, calling it a perfect upgrade worth the price. Another user praised its spacious interior and high-tech lighting, noting that it's heavier than expected but adds real elegance to their bathroom. Overall, the Brewe's LED medicine cabinet is a premium, functional, and beautifully designed addition to any modern bathroom. Number 1. Today, we're taking a look at the Megatex 73 by 40 lighted bathroom wall mirror, a stunning combination of modern design, powerful lighting, and high-end durability. This oversized rectangular mirror, framed in sleek matte black aluminum, instantly elevates any bathroom, bedroom, or dressing space with its minimalist, luxury-inspired aesthetic. Not only is it functional, but it also serves as a true statement piece in any home. One of the standout features is its 3-color dimmable lighting with a high CRI 90+ rating, giving you accurate, natural illumination whether you prefer warm, neutral, or cool tones. Thanks to its memory function, the mirror automatically recalls your last lighting setting, perfect for everyday convenience. And with double lighting both front and backlit, it delivers bright, even illumination ideal for makeup, shaving, or skincare routines without casting harsh shadows. The IP54 rated anti-fog system ensures the mirror stays clear even after long, hot showers, while the 5mm tempered glass provides exceptional safety and shatter resistance. Installation is flexible with both plug-in and hardwired options, and its corrosion-proof construction guarantees long-term durability in humid environments. Users love it too. One reviewer said it's beautiful and wished they'd bought it sooner. Another praised the adjustable lighting, saying they no longer need to turn on bright bathroom lights at night and recommend it 100%. Overall, the Megadex LED mirror offers beauty, brightness, and reliability perfect for upgrading any modern home. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement and product review videos. Drop a comment below telling us which bathroom mirror was your favorite or what you want to see next. Stay tuned for more 2025 buyer's guides, and as always, thanks for supporting the channel. See you in the next video.